Loudspeaker which is fitted on the vehicle, they started asking the people to come out and move out of this location. So this Venkatapuram village is just abetting this factory. So people were rushing out, and then immediately, all the police teams, emergency teams, 108 ambulances were also called to try to evacuate these people from there. There are about 1,200 to 1,500 households are there. 2,000 to 3,000 population would be there in that village, which is just adjacent to this factory. So I believe this styrene element, which was there in the tanks, had somehow, it kind of evaporated. There was some kind of a reaction. So balance which is supposed to have been maintained, something went wrong somewhere. That's a matter of investigation. But fortunately, it's not a lethal kind of a gas. It's only that high doses of intake of it may lead to, fatalities. But so therefore, it's not of that kind of a serious concern. Then so far about almost 800 people were evacuated in the morning to various hospitals. Those who were critical were taken to the KGH hospital, the general hospital at Vizag. And so far the total casualties is 8, which has been confirmed. Out of that,
many have lost consciousness. There are reports that
yes.
200 to 2,000. There are
Many people initially, breathlessness, and then, some of them lost their, I won't say consciousness, yes. Yeah, because gasping and then disorientation, some disorientation was there. So right now everything has been neutralized. The neutralizing agents were also sprayed. There was a lot of water spray being sprayed in the village so that quickly whatever remnant gases are there, that could be, disintegrated. One of the antidote is water. So drinking a lot of water, spraying of water is also one of the antidotes. So as of now, it's all normal. Situation is normal. Around 800 were there, but then many have been discharged. About 240 odd of them are still in the hospital. And I think in that the critical ward, about 20 of them are under ventilation and the oxygen support, because again, oxygen is something which again...
Sir, whether the safety protocols are taken care of?
So that's a matter of investigation now. We will be investigating how did this happen. So our Honorable CM is also ordered for an inquiry. Our teams are already on the ground, but special teams, forensic teams from Vijayawada is also being sent there to investigate that.
Sir, why was permissions given to such a company, sir?
Sorry?
Why and how the permissions are given to the
Well,
company?
see, this is an old company of 1966, dating back to 1966, so it's not a new company as such.
Okay.
So then this village has emerged around it.
Okay.
Mostly people who are working in that company, they have set up their houses, and that the village over a period of time emerged. So it's not that company being given a new permission. It's a very, very old. It's an old company, and it's a company which now it's taken over by LG, and they were maintaining very strict protocols. But then how it happened? It's an accident. To what extent we can fix, responsibility? That's a matter of investigation at the moment.
Sir, are you suspecting any increase in casualties?
At best maybe 1 or 2. We were in touch with our Honorable CM was also constantly in touch. Just before he left, the report which he received and was something like, at best maybe 1 or 2 more casualties could be, because it's under control and contained. So all the cases which are in the hospital, it's not really critical. Maybe 1 or 2. There seems to be still, under the critical stage. Yeah. Thank you.